this is my hydrogen generator. It makes hydrogen with electrolysis. I call it the E.H.G, standing for Electrolysis Hydrogen Generator. And it runs electricity through salt water, and hydrogen comes off of the negative terminal, and oxygen comes off of the positive terminal. Basically, salt makes it more conductive, so it works better and faster, and the water molecules get split by the electricity. And you get the most gas from small and sharp points, so I used screws. So on the negative, you want to have as much surface area and sharp points as possible. Meanwhile, on the positive, you want to have as little as possible to get the most pure hydrogen you can get. I made a USB hydrogen generator. Of course, the screws are only a temporary fix. Normally, I would use metal plates such as razor blades, but the thing is with that, I actually used to do that, to have that, and it worked very well. Made so much, but unfortunately, the reaction dissolved the metal, so I had to replace it with screws. So it doesn't last, but it works. Switch. You can see, after a little bit, you can see little bubbles coming off of the screws. You can see a lot more off camera, but and this reaction actually makes the water dirty and gross, so you gotta replace it every once in a while. And what I want to do is add a metal pipe at the end of this, so I can light it off, get a little hydrogen jet. Or you could get metal, like paper clips, red hot, and I don't know, do stuff with it. And in fact, when it had the razor blades, it was so effective, we were thinking about putting it in our truck for like this optimizer system. So it works best off of this USB port, because not only does it give out 5 volts, but 3 amps. And amps are most effective. You can see the water getting a bit more cloudy. And it actually dissolves the screws little by little. The longer I keep it on, the worse, too. And the positive will actually get like really rusty. So it will not last long, but it works. And best part about it is it's just so portable. Wire, wrap it around. You know, you never know when you need a hydrogen generator. So, you know, it's very practical. That is the E.H.G.